Hola, niños and niñas. ¿Cómo está? Hola, Roberto. Hola, Natalie. What's up, Mariah? Cesar. Yasel. What's up, Gabby? Darlene. Hola. Um, I got me a new whiteboard. I bought a new whiteboard. I was tired of the anchor charts, so I just went and bought me a big old whiteboard. All right. Eliana. Hey, Andrea. Jakayla. What's up? Miss Lena. What's up? All right. Make sure y'all hit the like button. All right. Oh, we're on page 7 today. Today is real easy. It's about place value and expanded notation. All right. So today is real easy. Natalie, I'm good. I got some sleep. I'm good. I was playing the PlayStation with my little cousin. My little cousin is here from Atlanta. So we're pretty good. Again, page 7. The I do is page 7, number 1. Friday's homework. JK, look at the video from Friday. All right. You'll be able to see. I'm not even sure. I don't even think I gave you homework Friday. I'm not sure. If I did, it's in the video. That's why y'all gotta watch the videos. If you miss the live stream, just go back and watch the video. That way you don't gotta ask me over and over. Stop being lazy. Go back and watch the video. All my videos are less than an hour. All of them. I have never kept you on here more than an hour. All right. What's up, Angel? Again, I went and got me a new board, so I got a split screen. So we're gonna do oh yeah, Jakayla. I forgot. If you were on the live stream Friday and you typed in 100 in the screen, you already got a 100. Those of you who didn't do it had to do the rest of the page. Yeah, you're right, Natalie. All right. Did y'all start getting y'all progress reports? Because y'all supposed to get y'all progress reports mailed to you. Did y'all get those already? No, you ain't get yours yet. All right. So the progress report should be coming in the mail. All right. Well, they coming. So look forward to them progress reports probably this week. All right. All right. It's very important that y'all don't quit. It's very important. Hey, Beeberlin. It's very important that y'all don't quit school. Some of y'all think it's over, like it's only 9 people, 10 people on this stream. Some of y'all think school is over. School is not over, bro. You have plenty of time to fail. You got 30 days. You got a whole month to fail. School is not over, children. All right. I'm gonna tell Brianna and all of them that's coming on this stream and typing in their name and leaving. School is not over. Okay. I'm gonna teach until the last day, until we getting ready for graduation. I'm gonna teach all the way up until the last week of school. The last week of school, then we're gonna be working on graduation. That's it. But I'm gonna keep teaching, bro. Coming over here. All right. So Page 7, number 1, right? You have a clock on your in your book. You have a clock, and it has a time in the middle, and it says the stopwatch below shows the runner's time in a 100-meter dash. All right. So this time that's in this clock, it represents how long it took the runner to run 100 meters. All right. Now, the 5 in the runner time represents, so this 5, the 5 in the runner's time represents 5 seconds, 5/10 of a second, 5, and you're trying to see what place value spot basically the 5 is in, right? So I'm going to rewrite the time outside of this. Now, if you know how to read a clock, this is a colon. Anything in front of the colon is normally hours or minutes. But since we're talking about seconds here, then that means the 10 is seconds, and that means this must be minutes, right? Because if you're talking about running, there's very few races that have hours. So this 0 must be minutes, and this must be seconds, which means these are parts of a second. So your real time is 10.235 seconds. And what you need to do is figure out where this 5 is. Right? Now, the 5 is on the right side of the decimal point. Because it's on the right side of the decimal point, I know that it's a part. That means it's not a whole. Because numbers on the right side of the decimal point are like change or like cents, right? They're part of the dollar. They're not a whole dollar. So since this 5 is on the right of the decimal point, it is part of a second, which means it's not a whole second, which means, like Cesar said, A is gone. Because A is 5 whole seconds. Because this is on the part side, it has to end in a TH. So that means it has to be tenths, hundreds, or thousands, right? Because it's on the part side, right? Now remember, the decimal point separates whole numbers on the left from parts on the right, all right? And if you're talking about decimals, those parts have TH, all right? Now, that's how I know the answer is not A. Now, as all of you have already typed in, that 5 is in the third spot to the right. And if you know place values, this is tenths, this is hundreds, and the 5 is in the thousandths place, which means the answer is D. All right? Good. Any questions about number 1? I hope not, because you probably ain't gonna get out of 5th grade if you don't know how to do place value. All right? Any questions about number 1? If you don't have any questions about number 1, you can write the emoji with the circle and draw a line through it. All right, or you can give me the Wakanda symbol. All right, the we do problem. Hey, Brianna, I hope you stay the whole live stream. I hope you don't just click on and click off, Brianna. We miss you in class, Brianna. All right. Now, the we do problem is number 7. Page 7, number 3. I'm sorry. Page 7, number 3. right? Now, this problem is actually about expanded notation. All right. So you say, Mr. T, remind me what expanded notation is. All right. Now, if you don't understand expanded notation, you won't be able to get this problem correct. To expand means to stretch out. To expand is like a rubber band. You think of it as a rubber band. To expand something means to stretch it out. All right. So expand means to stretch out. Now, when you see a number that's stretched out like this, and it's separated by parentheses with plus signs in the middle, you know it has been expanded. Right? Now, notation is what's actually inside the parentheses. To notate something, because in middle school, you're going to deal with scientific notation. Notation means number times base 10 or number times place value spot. All right. So when I expanded this number, I separated by place value. And in parentheses, I'm going to put the number times what spot it's in. So every number behind the multiplication sign is a base 10 spot. So I have 10, I have tenths, I have hundreds, and I have thousands. All right. Now, number times place value spot. So that means 1 is in the 10 spot, 7 is in the tenths, 8 is in the hundredths, and 2 is in the thousandths. Now, when you are finding what number would correctly complete the table, because this is the expanded notation in the middle of that table, right? So all you're asked to do is reverse expanded notation. Expanded notation, reverse expanded notation, because they already expanded it for you. Now you got to go backwards to find the number that it was before it got expanded. You need to shrink it back together. All right. So what this is doing is saying, can you get me back to the original number that was expanded? All right. Now, a shortcut to expanded notation is to look at one of them spots and figure out which one of them answers don't have that spot. So if you look at the thousands place, it says 2 times 0.001. Well, that 1 is in the thousands place. That means the 2 goes in the thousands place. Well, if you look at the answer choices, I know D is gone because the 2 is in the hundred spot. But in the rest of them, the 2 is in the thousand spot. So D is gone. Right? Now, I go back and I look at the other answer choices. Well, in the other answer choices, the 2, 2, 2, 8, 8, 8. So those are the same. But if you look at the 7, this has 7 tenths, 7 tenths, and this 7 is in the ones place. So I go back and look at the 7. This 7 should be in the tenths place. If it was 7 ones, it would be in front of the decimal point. But this is in the tenths place, which means tenths place, ones place. That means C is gone. All right? Now, the only difference between these, 782, 782, that's no different. What's different is where the 1 is. Right? So I go back and I look at 1 times 10. That means the 1 should be in the tens place. Well, this 1 is in the ones place, but this 1 is in the tens place. All right, which means the answer has to be B. All right. Now, there is another way to notation problems out. This way, all I did was answer choices and figure out what's wrong with one of the answer choices. And I just eliminated the 3 wrong ones to find the right one. The other way is to actually look at the parentheses and do what it says. The other way is instead of expanding it out, the other way is to put it back together. Now it's telling you to add. So if you actually add them, you're going to put them back together. All right. Now, let's add. 1 times 10, that means 1 times 10 is 10. That means 10 wholes. All right. 7 times 1/10 is 7/10. That means 0.7. Right? Because it's 10 is 10 wholes. Right? Now 0.7. Now 8 times 100 is 800 or 8 cents. So that's 0.08. And 2 times 1,000 is 2 in the thousands place. So that's 0.002. Now, all you have to do is add them up like the parentheses were saying. Well, I put in my placeholder zeros to make everything have thousands. Then I realized, okay, 0002, 0080, so that's 8, 0700, so that's 7. I line up my parentheses, my decimal points, I'm sorry. 0000 is 0 and 1, 1. That's another way that you can get back to the original number. Actually take the expanded notation and actually add them back together. All right? So you'll get the same answer as B right here. All right? Again, that was number 3 on page 7. All right? Any questions about number 3? You can type it in. If you have no questions, 0 with the line drawn through it. All right. Today's lesson is pretty easy. For independent practice, all you do is page 7. You do if we already did number 1 and number 3, so you do page 7, number 2, and number 4. All right. Now, green. So it says 13 of y'all are on here. So if you're on this live stream and you have already downloaded Zoom, the Zoom app, your login, type in me, me. Okay. So I see some people leaving class. 5 people, 6 people, 7 people in class. They leave in class, but I need you to work on Zoom. All right. If you want to graduate. Now, if you don't want no graduation, then fine. Don't do Zoom. All right. Now, what I need you to do, I know I got Andrea's, Yacel, Kayla, Angel, even in Class Dojo, Angel, send me your phone number. What I'm going to do, as soon as we get off of here, I'm going to give me like 5 or 10 minutes and I'm going to text you the code to Zoom. And we're going to try Zoom today, okay? All right. Everybody that already downloaded the app, make sure you sent me your number because we're about to try Zoom, okay? All right. Cesar, make sure you have sent number. I can't remember if you did already. All right. But yeah, we're gonna try Zoom. Okay. I really want to give y'all graduation, right? Some people just like, man, forget them kids. But I really want to give y'all graduation. Even if we got to use Zoom to give you a graduation, I really want to do it. All right. So make sure you got your homework. Your homework is page 7, number 2 and number 4. And then get ready. We're going to do Zoom in about 10 minutes after we get off live, okay? All right. Yeah, Mariah, send it to me, okay? All right. Any other questions for Mr. T? You can type it in. If not, type in the circle with the line drawn through it. Then we can get ready to practice Zoom. All right, cool. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow on here on YouTube. I'll see you tomorrow at 12, okay? Remember, I'm going to keep teaching you until the end, all right? So y'all just keep coming to class, all right? Natalie, just inbox me. We'll be all right. All right, love y'all. See y'all tomorrow. All right, get ready for Zoom. Text me your number. I'm going to text you the code in like 10 minutes, okay? All right, peace.